Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'll show you the procedure to like a game on Roblox mobile. If you wish to like a game on Roblox mobile, then it's a very simple procedure. For that, you have to make sure that you already have a Roblox application installed to your device, and if not, you could also try installing or else you could go ahead and update it from the respective app store. So type in Roblox and here you can locate whether it needs to be updated or not. If it is completely updated, click the play button and launch the Roblox application. So what next you want to do is, here from the home section, you simply want to go ahead and locate the particular game that you wish to like. For example, I'm just gonna go with the easy fun. This is the one, and when you do it, so you want to click on the profile name or simply swipe up. Once you do it, so you could see there is a 62%, or under the description you could find this thumbs up button. Alright, so when you actually press on this upward arrow icon, then this is considered to be a liked, and likewise if you give a downward arrow icon or click on it, it's gonna be considered as dislike. So this way you'll be able to like a game, and you will also see the percentage as well. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.